Paddock, described by lawyer Marty Kravitz as unkempt, slovenly, and careless, and bizarre, slips and falls in the footage in the Cosmopolitan Hotel on the Las Vegas Strip 6 years ago. Multi-millionaire Paddock attempted to sue the Cosmopolitan Hotel for £75,000 $100,000 in 2012, claiming a puddle of water caused his fall as he walked over to the high-stakes gambling area. But the casino's lawyer Mr. Kravitz said the high-stakes gambler got nothing. In fact, Paddock still owed £204 $270 in court fees when he killed 59 people and injured 527 more in a terrifying 10-minute-long attack. What was Stephen Paddock's motivation? Stephen Paddock filed a lawsuit against the casino lawyer Marty Kravitz, described Paddock as unkempt, slovenly, and careless after meeting the killer during legal proceedings. Mr. Kravitz described Paddock as a scruffy, weird man. He said Paddock was wearing crappy flip-flops with a beverage in a bag in his hand when he fell at the casino. Paddock went on a crazed shooting rampage from the 32nd floor of his Mandalay Bay hotel room with an arsenal of 23 guns on Sunday, firing at revelers at country music event, the Route 91 Harvest Festival. But Mr. Kravitz said there was nothing about Paddock that would ever indicate someone who was unstable. NBC Paddock got nothing from his lawsuit too. October 3, 2017, Las Vegas Route 91 Harvest Festival mass shooting aftermath. He added, "This is not a guy that I would have looked at and thought he's going to commit a crime one day." Paddock's case was scheduled for a civil trial, but collapsed in 2014 when an arbitrator dismissed it due to inconsistencies in his evidence. Video footage shows him getting medical attention and being stretchered out of the casino after he sustained a tear to his hamstring and a sprained wrist. But the hotel said Paddock had failed to prove negligence because there was no actual or constructive notice of any liquid in the area of the sundry shop. Getty Paddock is the oldest mass shooter in U.S. history. Although Paddock is filmed slipping and falling in the video footage, the arbitrator said about 20 customers walked past the same spot and do not appear to have noticed anything on the floor or tried to avoid the wet area. The arbitrator added, "Due to the totality of the evidence, I therefore enter a decision in favor of the defendant." At 64 years old, Paddock is the oldest mass shooter in U.S. history and carried out America's most deadly gun massacre. He was not known to police and had no criminal history other than a routine traffic violation. It has since emerged he made a fortune from real estate across the U.S. and was a millionaire who was normal aside from his gambling habit. His brother claimed Paddock had a gambling problem and was described as having status at Caesars Entertainment, a casino for high rollers.